Understanding the power of compounding with a simplified analogy. Let's compare grabbing fruits of a tree to building your retirement corpus with NPS. The youngest can jump the highest, grabbing the juiciest mangoes. The oldest, well, they can only reach a few. Similarly, the younger you start, the longer you can stay invested and subsequently build a greater retirement corpus. Let's look at this in numerical terms. Starting with monthly investment of 5,000 rupees and increasing it by 12% every year, expecting returns of 10%, what would be the final retirement corpus depending on the age one starts investing in NPS? If one were to start at the age of 45, the retirement corpus at 60 could be 42 lakh rupees. If one were to start at the age of 30, the final corpus could be 4.2 crore rupees. If one were to start at the age of 25, the final corpus could be 8.4 crore rupees. And if one were to start as early as 20, the final corpus could be 16.3 crore rupees. Comparing a person starting investment at the age of 45, who is investing for 15 years, to a person starting at the age of 30, who is investing for 30 years, a difference of 15 investment years here leads to a difference of about 3.6 crore rupees in the final corpus. Comparing a person starting at the age of 30, who is investing for 30 years, and a person starting at the age of 25, who is investing for 35 years, here a mere difference of 5 investment years can lead to a difference of 4.2 crore rupees. Now, comparing a person starting at the age of 25, who is investing for 35 years, and a person starting at the age of 20, who is investing for 40 years, but here the same difference of 5 investment years leads to an even greater difference of 80 crore rupees in the final corpus. This is the power of compounding. So, start early, gather more.